Designing a home for somebody who builds spaces for a living cannot be easy. I am Norah Hayat. I'm the Technical Design Manager at Finasi. For Penthouse 110, I was involved since the beginning. Kitchen and wardrobes are very personal spaces, so we need to completely understand what they're expecting out of this space, and then we build further on there.
The kitchen has all horizontal grains, and that was something the team and I worked upon. We wanted to move away from everything being vertical because we had this big space. We wanted to keep everything horizontal.
For Penthouse 110, this was the playground. We could come up with ideas, and he was very supportive. Our boss was very supportive about it. And we studied a lot of new elements, the pocket doors, the accessories, the pull-outs, everything was top-notch. The kitchen had to look extremely pleasing but also be extremely functional at the same time. The material selection, it depends on what the house is looking like to start with, because obviously kitchen is a part usually of a living space nowadays. Even if the materials look amazing, they need to be extremely durable. These are very high traffic areas, so we have to keep that in mind when choosing materials. The green stone was chosen even before the inception of the kitchen. We literally knew that we have to use this green stone in the kitchen. We had to work things around that. So we chose the wood and we chose the metal that would complement it together. With Finasi Kitchens and Wardrobes, I think I would say that we are having Italian design ideas that are made locally in UAE, very proudly made locally in UAE. Just like kitchens, wardrobes are very personal as well. This space is going to be used by this person. We need to understand how they want the clothes hung or folded, where they keep what, and it's extremely, extremely personal. The number of shoes they have, the bags, and the numbers that we work with is backwards. We understand what they want to store, and then we start the design process. In these particular wardrobes, we have made it completely in glass. All of the shutters were done in glass, the back panels, the side panels, everything. This was because it was connected to an open space that had the daylight coming in from. So the whole point was that we wanted that fluidity of light coming into the wardrobes without having a cut between the wardrobes there. Designing for your boss can never be easy, but we learned a lot through the way. We understood each other a lot more, I would say. Even after working for 10 years, I can say that I learned a lot about him now as well. Ahmed had a very clear design idea and very high standards. We tried very hard in order to make that design idea into reality with the precision that is required.